Very well.
Excellent. And I'm pretty fussy. No, it was excellent all the way through, beginning to end.
I really appreciated all the calls that I got that told me everything that was going on, and the permit has been applied for. We've received the permit, and we've ordered the windows.
Things
and
came when you talked,
Yeah.
so they would come, and
I just appreciated all those updates.
they were wonderful.
Very well.
Nice gentlemen. Enjoyed having them work here. And we had a service business ourselves, so I kind of relate to what they were saying and doing. They did a good job. Well, they moved and got things done. And
I think that for me, the best part was that they took such care in covering up everything
and cleaning up afterwards.
and cleaning up afterwards. Yes,
Well, not that there wasn't a little dust around.
yeah, but nothing compared to what it would have been.
Yeah, right.
Yeah,
Everything, they've covered things up and spent time getting things ready for the installation. It's made such a big difference. Our furnace doesn't cycle like it used to. What else? Quiet. Couldn't believe how quiet it is.
Much more
First
quiet.
night it was just like, what happened?
Yeah.
We're in a different place.
I didn't realize what a difference it would make to have beautifully white clad vinyl rather than the old metal sliders.
Scrungy aluminum.
I mean, it just spruced up the whole house.
Yeah, it really looks great.
Yeah, and we've gotten lots of great comments
We have,
from
you should get some business out of this.
people, yeah, walking by and saying they love our new windows, so.
Good job all the way around.